Hey guys, welcome back. In this one, I'm going to show you how to create a second Monopoly Go account, without messing up your main one. So first things first, we need to make sure your main account is safe. I mean, before setting up a new one, right? The easiest way is to connect your current Monopoly Go account to a Facebook account. Then just head over to manage account and link it with Facebook. That way, all your progress stays backed up. Okay, so here's the thing. Monopoly Go accounts are tied to Facebook. So if you want a second account, yeah, you'll need a separate Facebook account. Just make sure this new Facebook is different from the one linked to your main Monopoly Go account. All right, now let's reset the app so we can set up the second account from scratch. Press and hold on the Monopoly Go app, tap the little info icon, and then hit clear data at the bottom. And quick reminder, don't skip the backup step earlier. If you didn't connect your main account to Facebook, you could lose all your progress. Once the data is cleared, open Monopoly, go again, and it'll look like you're starting fresh. Enter your age, agree to the terms, and then for now, tap play as guest. That'll let you quickly get through the intro videos and tutorials. After you finish the tutorial, tap the 3-bar menu again, head back into settings, then manage account, and choose play with friends. This will open a browser where you log in with your brand new Facebook account. And that's it. You've got a fresh Monopoly Go account, completely separate from your main one. And there you go. That's how you create a second Monopoly Go account without losing any progress on your first one. Yeah, pretty simple, right? If this helped you out, maybe give it a like and, subscribe for more quick tutorials.